What's up, guys? We back with another one, all the way from Denver, Colorado. Single cab, in for a sunroof, tight window, and redo his Starlight kit. Let's check it out. Just dropped it off. Like I said, we're gonna do a tighten window. He does have the Starlights done already. Obviously, we're gonna have to delete the Starlights. That way, when I cut it out for the sunroof, get the sunroof installed, I'll put the Starlights around the border of the sunroof. All right, guys, we got everything pulled off. We took the headliner off, and then go ahead and cut this middle part here. Cut this bracing in the back for the sunroof. This thing does have airbags, so there is a trick way to do it, and these would go behind here once the kit is in. So all you do now is just remove all the bolts, and then I'm gonna start cutting the center part for the tiny window. We're back with the bodywork. Bodywork's done. We're gonna put our first coat of primer, and then put some guide coat on it and block it off. See if any imperfections come up. If not, then we'll go ahead and put our first coat of white, and then we'll go ahead and flash off, and then we're gonna do a total of 3 coats, and then 3 coats of clear. All right, first coat of primer. We're gonna let it flash off. Throw some guide coat. If there's any pinholes, imperfections, anything, we'll be able to see it once we block off the guide coat, and then we'll go ahead and fix any of that. Throw another layer of primer, wet sand that down with 500, and it'll be ready for some paint. There it is, 3 coats of white. U8624 is the paint code. Looks good. Time for some clear. There she is, guys. 3 coats of color and 3 coats of clear. Came out real good. Pulled it outside, let it dry faster, and put the sunroof in. This is looking good. Gotta put the third brake light on. Wiring it up on the inside. Then I'll throw the headliner on with the Starlights are done also. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, headliner is wrapped in suede, and it does have the Starlights. I did add the Starlights to it. Customer wanted to keep his Starlights. We just had to reroute them. Looking good. Let's go ahead and put it in the vehicle. Back with the Silverado. Tight windows done, sunroof is done, roof's painted, color matched. We did install the black suede with stars. Came out badass. This truck's nice, it's clean. Let's check it out.